Selecting fresh chicken liver is paramount when it comes to achieving the best possible flavor and texture. With this in mind, it's wise to steer clear of frozen liver, as opting for it may compromise both the dish's quality and its taste, leaving you yearning for that fresh, flavorful experience. As we delve deeper into the culinary possibilities, incorporating vibrant ingredients such as peppers and a splash of lemon juice becomes essential. These elements don't just sit on the plate, they harmoniously contribute a delightful sweetness and a tangy acidity that beautifully balance the rich, savory notes of the liver. Transitioning into the world of seasoning, it is key to utilize specific spices like cumin, coriander, and nutmeg when preparing liver dishes. These spices act not merely as flavor enhancers, but they elevate the liver's natural essence, ensuring it shines without ever being overpowered by excess seasoning. In the pursuit of the perfect flavor, one must consider the process of grinding spices. Using a mortar for this task can be both quicker and yield a richer taste compared to employing a standard grinder. Mastering proper grinding techniques not only intensifies the aroma but also enhances the overall flavor profile of your dish. Continuing with our exploration of flavor, the inclusion of fresh ingredients like garlic, cumin, and coriander into the cooking process undeniably adds depth and complexity to the dish. The result? A deliciously aromatic experience that captivates the senses and elevates your culinary creation. However, it is crucial to remember that cooking chicken liver demands careful attention to detail. Maintaining its juicy texture while preventing overcooking requires an understanding of oil temperature and timing. These elements are vital in achieving the desired level of doneness, ensuring every bite is a tender delight. When considering how to serve this versatile liver dish, the options are as varied as they are delicious. Whether presented as a hearty sandwich or accompanied by a generous portion of pasta, this flexibility offers something for everyone, enhancing its appeal to a diverse range of tastes. An essential part of the preparation involves a tahini sauce that introduces a sweet and light flavor to the plate. This delightful sauce doesn't just sit there, it melds beautifully with the liver, taking the overall dining experience to new heights of enjoyment. Finally, we circle back to the importance of using fresh ingredients, especially the liver itself, as this is foundational to ensuring the best taste and quality in every dish. Freshness plays a significant role, enhancing the overall flavor experience and making your culinary masterpiece stand out.